Hey everybody, so I got a quick video about some wiper blades I picked up from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be a quick video. I picked up these wiper blades for the 4Runner. They're both 17-inch. They're 42.5 centimeters or 425 millimeters. They're the Endurance XT silicone beam. Last 2 times longer. So the information that's on these are made by Michelin. I usually buy the Icons by Bosch. I've been buying those for, I don't know, 6-something years since they came out. It says durability tested 2 million plus wipes. Extreme weather performance, stays flexible and resists cracking. Negative 80 Fahrenheit to plus 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Lasts 2 times longer. Quad Tech silicone. Satisfaction guaranteed. Superior streak-free wipes. On the back says they hug your windshield like Michelin tires hug the road. Frameless curved beam, which the Bosch Icons are a frameless curved beam as well. Flexes and hugs your windshield shape, delivers constant wipe pressure for smooth streak-free wipes. Easy lock connector, which on mine, the connector that came standard on it is what went on the truck because I have a hook connector on my wiper blade. Silicone wiper element 2-in-1 formulation. Extreme weather performance. Silicone element tested in extreme conditions. Negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 195 Fahrenheit. Remains flexible, resists cracking, and lasts 2 times longer. Builds water repellent barrier. Applies a water repellent barrier to the windshield glass so water beads off even when wipers are not in use. Now, that's not really important to me because I use Rain-X. We don't have any of the orange Rain-X around here, but I use the Rain-X bug remover. It's pretty cheap and it works well, and it leaves a water barrier. It says aerodynamic design, sleek design with built-in spoiler, grips windshield under toughest conditions. To optimize silicone wiper performance and activate the water repelling benefit, ensure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. So I don't know if this is true. I did the testing of what I was required to do to activate it on the window, but down the road, since I did do the activation properly this time, it says turn on wipers and wipe dry at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes. So you basically want to do this on a dry, non-rainy day according to the instructions. So it leaves a layer on the window, a film or whatever. But if I like these and they work well, I'll do another review on them. And if I can, or I need to buy another set, I will also do it without using the break-in procedure, which is the wipe dry at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes. The next time I buy these, I will do it without dry wiping the window with them and see what happens, see if it changes anything. It does come with several connectors. It comes with like 3 or 4 connectors that you can exchange on the blade. I bought this for 2004 Runner. I kind of wish that the driver's side on the 2004 Runner was an 18 because it seems kind of short, but I always grab what's recommended for the length. I already installed them on the vehicle, so there's nothing in the boxes, but they also have a guarantee. I was reading in the instructions. If you're not completely satisfied with the quality and performance of your Michelin wiper blades, call the number 1-866-499-0572. Tell us why. Send your original receipt to Pylon Manufacturing Corporation and we will send you a set of comparable replacement blades free of charge. Replacements are limited to a period of 1 year after the date of purchase. It says they're made in Vietnam. These were 17. I've been waiting for Walmart to get these, the newer versions, for like 4 months now. The older package, the silicone blade is actually blue, like kind of clear blue. This one's like a charcoal colored gray with speckles in it. I don't know if there's an upgrade or a difference in quality. The information on the older model, which is just the advanced silicone beam, is the one with the blue, transparent style blue silicone blade. They have the same specs as these Endurance XTs, so I'm not really sure what the difference between them are. I'm assuming maybe the new one is just a replacement. Says heavy extreme weather performance on the side, heavy rain, sleet, snow, ice, extreme hot and cold, weather repellency. But I'm probably gonna do a long-term review on these. I've been wanting to try to switch to a silicone blade now that they're available to Walmart, because auto parts stores don't carry the silicone blades around here. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Pet Boys, none of them do. Figured I'd give them a try. There's mixed reviews on Walmart's website for these. Like there's like hundreds and hundreds of reviews. Some people say that they suck, they don't work. A lot of people say they work great. So figured to give them a try and try to give you guys some updates in the future. If you really need to run them dry, or if it's raining and pouring outside, you could just slap them on the truck and go about your day. Would be one of the tests I would like. Last year's monsoon lasted up until about 2 weeks ago, which is May 20th something, 23rd or so, and it's supposed to start back up in August. If it's postponed, like I would figure it would be, it probably wouldn't be until October around the time. But we did get rain like a week and a half ago, something like that. It wasn't a lot. Well, it was a lot in Anthem. It was like pouring like cats and dogs there for like 5 minutes. But I'll give you guys an update. I bought them. They were $17.47 a piece. The Bosch icons I normally buy are about $23 a piece. And Bosch has a new version. I don't remember exactly what they're called. If you guys know, you can leave it down below. If you guys have any experience with these, leave your comments down below what you guys think, how they've worked for you. I don't remember what the version of the icon, the newer version of the icons are for Bosch. But Bosch has a newer version of the icon. I don't remember if it's like Endurance or it's got some interesting name. I haven't tried those. Maybe down the road I'd give those a try. We could do a comparison. I do know Project Farm has done comparison videos. I don't remember if it was with these particularly. I think it was a different version of Michelin's. But in his testing, if I remember correctly, the Michelin's did a better job. I'll link up here in a card specifically for his channel. And I will also try to link the video I'm talking about of his up here in a card as well. Appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.